And after more than an hour, we're here in Boracay Island, here at Royal Park Hotel, Station 1. For me, this is the best station because obviously less crowd. Yan, waiting muna. Habang ito yung view namin. Wow! So pretty. Thank you po. First day. Ganda ng weather today. May hi ka. Hello. Mga pumunta sa Boracay ng July. Pa-August na. Pero ang ganda pa rin, no? Oo, ito na yun. Andahan. Ayan. Ito na si Tita sa Boracay. And Tito. Covered with all. Wow. Tignan mo doon, Tita. Oh, diba? Si Tita enjoy, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganyan kapina, diba? Smell of shrimp there again at the bar. Wasting away again in Margaritaville. Searching for my lost sugar salt. Wow, so pretty. Ganda rin ng weather. Swerte namin. Kailangan natin matry ito. Yung Jonas. Napakasarap dyan, Tita. Oo. Ganda. Oo, may mahangin. Ayan. Konting lakad pa. Pupunta kami sa Kulay Mangyan. And this is the sunny side. Super sikat din dito sa Boracay. And of course, you can't miss the grotto, the most iconic landmark in Boracay. Ah, we're here again. So nice weather. Namin na laging kinakainan. Kulay Mangyan. Ayan. Station 1. Ayan yung kanilang menu. And the view. Look at the view. Ayan. Perfect na perfect talaga. Ayan. Ito. So, ito. Tapat lang siya ng grotto. Ayan. Madali lang hanapin. Day, feel like summer, that's what I need. Don't ever feel you have to change for me, baby. Hey, so I'll tell you, baby. Don't let your life fade. Don't let your life fade.
Hot na, dalawang hot latte na lang.
So ayun, obviously this is a family chill trip, food venture edition in Boracay. Let's go. basa.
Ano to? Parang alimango. Wala! Wala! May alimango! Oh, tatlo sila. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Grabe yun! Nangyari sa inyo? Ano ba yan?
Ilagay mo nga. Ito. Oh, di na kayo makaano yan. Mag-wash na kayo, oh. Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Paano maglagay sa mukha ng baras?
Paano maglagay ng ano sa mukha?
Oh, ng baras. Ganito mo lang.
Magmara, tawag dyan?
Paano maglagay sa mukha ng baras? Tingnan na kaya natin.
Oh. Ay, nako. Oh, tama na. Mapunta yan sa mata nyo, ha? Ay, naku, huwag ilagay masyado. Ala!
Ka lang ate.
Ala! Ay, naku, maghugas na kayo. Mapunta yan sa mata nyo. Sino kasama mo? Bigyan kita, ha? Mga kalaro mo. Ito si, ano pangalan? JR, di ba? Ayan si JR. Yan ang new friend ko here dito sa Boracay. Inaalok ako mag-picture kahit wala daw bayad. Napakabait na bata. Sila yung makukulit kanina. Nag-aana ng buhangin dun. Ayun yung mga kaibigan niya, oh. Maligo ka na dun, oh. Okay. Wow, so spacious. Okay, ang ganda ng bathroom. This is the bathroom. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang laki, diba? Cabinet dito. And then, pwede mag-food dyan. Dito rin may vanity. Also, ayan na. Ito na sila tito at si tita. Ito na yung room nila. Sana. Okay. Ah, oo. Saan yung ano? Tanan! Walang ano? Iilagay mo eh. Ito. Wala. Ayan. Okay. Ganito pala yung room niya. Parang iba yung sa picture. And then, may mirror dito.
Ayan, ang ganda.
Oo nga. Ay, ayan. Ah, okay. Ayan. Ito yung isang room. Okay naman siya. Good. May blower. Ang linis din ng CR. Ayan. And also, may view pa dyan sa labas. So, maganda. Okay naman. Though, oh, yan. Maganda. Tananantan. Yan. Ito't may bintana siya. Kaya, mas prefer ko dito kasi I need some nature. Ano? Ayan, oh, ganda, oh.
Ah.
Oh, look at that. Diba? Perfect. The other room. Ganda ng palights niya dyan. Effect. Parang burukoy. Wala. Kala mo siya yung may birthday. Oh, ganda ng room na to. In fairness. Perfect. Ayan. May mga ano din sila. Basta swimming. Look at the moon, y'all. Now we're about to go for dinner. Let's go. This is my outfit for today. So I got this. This is my get some earrings and the vibe here at night. It's just so chill with the ocean view and the moon. So now we're about to go to dinner. It's a birthday ni Tito. Happy birthday! Let's go. Let's find some good restaurant. Ganda oh. Ha? Walang masyadong tao ngayon. Ang sarap magbalakay ngayon.
Must one man have before he can hear people cry.
Ay, okay po. Wala na.
Oyster lang meron.
Oo.
Then wala kaming kare-kare. Lahat ng kare-kare pa ito.
Ah, sige. Okay lang po.
Tapos pulpo po. Yun na naman po.
Wala silang scallops tapos walang kare-kare.
Oyster meron.
Oyster meron. For four po.
There po yung table.
Oyster oh.
Ano yung nakasulat?
Baby. Papi.
Thank you. Let's eat ya. Gusto yung baka? Let's go. Good job. Tagal naman mag-open. Grabe. Busog na ako. Busog na ako. Asan yung water? We're home! Super busog. So recommend. But just like 8 out of 10 yung Nalka. Tapos medyo pricey. Medyo maliit yung serving niya. So, maliit talaga, no? Diba? Oo, maliit eh. Like yung lechon baka nila, 800. Mga 5 pieces lang na maliliit na gano'n.
So we should go beach now. Cool down.
So we're gonna try surfing today. It's gonna be my first time. Good luck. Get the shirts.
Cool down. Cool out with the watches right. Yeah, let's grab our bars and run to the never shore. 'Cause cool is power. Let's go now and hell it out the door, yeah. The world is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, the one to hit the spot, yeah. Cool down. The world is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, the one to hit the spot, yeah. Cool down. The water's looking nice and blue, so blue, so bluer than the clearest skies. And the waves are firing, getting higher and better even as we speak, yeah. Don't you melt the sun, 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 hotter than ever before. So let's ride, ride, surf and ride some more, yeah. The world is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire.
We're gonna go to the mall. We're gonna show them the mall. So we're gonna ride the tuk-tuk. Let's go! Paalis na kami, pero working pa yung isa. Antayin natin matapos. Let's go! Dito na tayo sa harap. Ay, dito na ako. Okay. Ayan, si Natita. Diyan ko nga itong mga ano nila, jeep nila dito. Yan si Tita, walking. Ito may McDo. Thank you po.
She looks good in the morning, and she don't even know it.
Wow.
I don't want.
And for lunch, we're here at Jammers. Ooh, what a view. Ooh la la. At ang CR nila, super aesthetic too. And for dessert, let's go.
Wait a minute, stop what we're doing, because I got to tell you now what's on my mind. We've been at this for some time, and I just wanna know if your heart is feeling just as strong as mine.
We got halo halo and
Even
mango.
though we got some years in this, it's always brand new to me. You see the butterfly.
And this is a must try in Boracay, my favorite. Chicken in a salt. Food. This is the pecho. Kaon na kaon. Kuman. And yes, Island Chicken in a Salt is hands down my favorite resto here. Must try. And of course, Coco Mama. We had to let Tito and Tita try it too. And that's the buko pandan and the vanilla going in. Oh, it's just so good. Looks so yummy. The pinipig, the crunchy pinipig. I love it. My favorite. Thank you. I'm gonna get it later. Oh, here we go. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. So, dito na kami sa airport. Pauwi na.
Good morning to all our nation guests. Flight is equal to 0 Florida.
heavy summer. Things are moving slow, and time to unwind only gives me time to spend alone. And I can't help but wonder if anyone's in town, scrolling through the phone on a Sunday, just hanging around with nothing to do. Summer